Red button.
You got it.
Yeah. Alright, this is going to be tricky. Okay. Let's have a running commentary then, Emily. What are we doing?
On the last K of our 10K race, we're here running to raise money for Friends of Victoria to build a new home for the birds.
Great stuff. How are you feeling?
Thanks. Our lovely bird parrot customers. I'm feeling great. Yeah, really good.
See the others? And we have the monkey. Okay. Matt, please explain in detail the rehabilitation process of a parrot.
Well, you see, the thing is, a parrot in captivity doesn't get the opportunity to fly. So they need large enclosures so we can help to train them to fly greater distances, while still being in safety away from cheeky little monkeys like me.
Thank you very much. Sarah Brimble, what's the highlight today so far?
Highlight today, sunshine, great team, great people, and the finish line being very, very close.
Cracking. Johnny, that looks like a hot suit.
Indeed, I'm still going up.
Oh, that's it, Johnny's right here ahead of you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Noah, any famous last words?